Hi everyone, this is Daniel Scranton and I'm going to channel for you today. Greetings. Well, the Arcturian Council. Well, pleased. Good. Will is we have been sending you energies quite consistently, and we have noticed that more and more of you are opening up to receive that which is rightfully yours. In other words, you create by living what you are living, even if you are not asking intentionally or consciously. And those energies are then created by you, for you, and can be delivered to you by any of us in the higher realms. We do seek to share the most appropriate energies with you when you are ready. And we know that more and more people will be opening up to receive the energies being sent because you have a solstice coming up there on your planet. And with a solstice comes a greater expectation for change. This occurs at various times in your calendar, and it is always good for you to begin looking up and expecting to receive. It is through your expectation that you are capable of receiving more. And when you sit and meditate or commune with Mother Earth or Mother Nature, you are showing others the way to open up and receive, even if they are not looking at you or hearing about what you've done from you. And that is because you are part of a collective consciousness. Now, you can also receive just by kicking back and relaxing. And we highly recommend that you do that as well. We recommend you do it as often as you can. Because we keep telling you that the hard part is over and you've done your work. And we want you to know that these truths are true. You can get into receiving mode now. You can expect more because of what you have done and what you have asked for already. And you don't have to work hard in order to earn anything. And that includes becoming more of your higher self. Just relax into that mode and that level of awareness. Just allow that sense of self to rise up to the surface, and you will experience yourselves as you want to be, rather than as you have been. We are so happy to be a part of this journey with you and to guide you in all the ways that we can. And we want you to buckle up, but also to relax as you have these wonderful solstice energies coming your way. Expect more and receive more. Become more because you are destined to do so, and you might as well do so consciously. We are the Arcturian Council, and we have enjoyed connecting with you. Hi, everybody. Namaste. Many blessings to you and yours. I hope you're doing well. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Oh, I forgot to move the plant over. I forgot what I named her to. Samantha? I don't remember. I hope you're doing well. Please do subscribe to the YouTube if that's where you're watching. Otherwise, just come back and there'll be more videos where this one came from. I have some things to tell you about. The event with Mike Dooley, Matt Kahn, Lisa Royal Holt, Jesse Herman, and Sarah Landon and others will be tomorrow from where I'm sitting. No, it'll be the 12th. Let's just say it'll be the 12th. And I think it's at 3 p.m. Eastern time, which means 12 noon Pacific time. And there will be a link down below. It is free to sign up for, and we will all be channeling for 15 minutes, except for Mike Dooley. He'll be moderating the whole thing. So that's coming up, and channel panel. There's tickets available now for the early bird price of $333. It's a 3-day event, so you get 3 whole days of channeling for that $333. I don't know how they're gonna do that. I think there's gonna be more of us than right now. There's 8, so there's got to be at least 9 for 3 days worth. But there'll be workshops too that you can attend, that you can sign up for and attend. There'll be extra. But anyway, to get the early bird price, you got to get in there now. I just saw a post from Rob Gothier that it ends in 24 hours from the time I saw his post. So yeah, check that out. And other than that, I've got the Saint Germain channeling in my store at danielscranton.com/store. That's really popular, about abundance, receiving more abundance. And then I just put a new light language for the solstice in there, also at danielscranton.com/store. And also all these links are down below in the description on YouTube, if that's not clear. And I've got ongoing pay what you want sales for all my light languages, my master courses, my mega bundles, all with links down below. I also have been brain birthing a new mega course on healing. It's going to be a certificate program, and I need to set up a short link for that one, but I just put that on my website so you can start thinking about it. July 24th it will start. It'll be 9 classes, 2 hours each. But other than that, there's not much else going on here. Talea's out with my wife and visiting with a friend, a sort of family friend, someone my wife knew before we met, and lovely woman. And so they had to drive quite a ways to get to her. And so I've got some alone time here, and getting a lot of work done. And it's a beautiful day, and the birds are out and making a lot of noise, but warms up in the afternoons here, which is nice because we're almost in winter here in Australia. But I don't have anything else to report other than give the Acolyte a chance. Don't believe the IMDb reviews or the Rotten Tomato audience score. The Rotten Tomato critics, I think, have it right. It's good. It's worth watching, and it's on Disney. And I think the next episode's tomorrow, so that'll be exciting. And I hope you're all doing well. I don't have anything new to report other than Talea was still coughing last night. She's got very similar symptoms to what I had when I got sick last, where the cough came in late and was just clearing mucus. And so she seems to be doing that clearing now and getting it all out. And that's all I got to report. She's doing great, though. She keeps growing. We keep getting her. She's wearing clothes for 6-year-old and 7-year-old now, and she's only 4 still. So she's a beanpole. I hope you're all well. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. I love you. Be well. Take care of yourselves. See you back here again soon. Tomorrow. Bye-bye.